Welcome back to Car Craze, where today we are driving straight into the future, quite literally with one of the most exciting retro revivals in recent memory, the 2026 MGB. Yes, the legendary British Roadster is back, and it's bringing with it a bold fusion of heritage and high-tech innovation. MG has taken the beloved classic from the golden era of motoring and reimagined it for the modern age. But is the 2026 MGB just a nostalgic tribute, or does it have the substance to compete in today's fiercely competitive F and sports coupe market? Let's break it all down. First, a little background. The original MGB was launched in 1962. A lightweight, affordable, and charming two-seater roadster that quickly became a global favorite. It embodied the spirit of carefree motoring, especially in the US, where it helped define British sports cars for an entire generation. The MGB was simple, analog, and soulful, everything purists loved about driving. Fast forward over 60 years, and MG, now under the ownership of Chinese automotive giant SAIC Motor, has decided to bring the MGB back. But this isn't just a re-release with a few modern tweaks. The 2026 MGB is a complete reimagination of the classic formula. It's all electric, packed with tech, and yet, it still manages to keep the spirit of the original alive. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 MGB, it's clear that MG's designers took inspiration from the past. The proportions are unmistakably MGB: long hood, short rear, low stance, and that iconic front grille, now reinterpreted with a sleek, closed-off F-friendly design. The round headlights are now LED units with a halo signature, giving a nod to the past while embracing modern design language. The car looks compact and sporty, but there's an elegance to it that sets it apart from many of today's overly aggressive designs. Unlike the original, which was strictly a convertible, the new MGB comes in two flavors, a soft-top roadster and a fixed-roof fastback coupe. This gives buyers more choice, depending on whether they prefer the open-air driving experience or a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Either way, the car screams fun. Under the skin, the 2026 MGB is a completely modern machine. Built on SAIC's modular refer platform, the MGB features a rear-mounted electric motor that powers the rear wheels, just like the original. There are two powertrain options, a base model with 201 horsepower and a performance variant with 302 horsepower. Torque is instantaneous, as you'd expect from an F, and 0 to 60 miles per hour times are brisk, around 6.5 seconds for the base and just under 5 seconds for the performance model. The battery pack is a 64 kWh unit, offering an estimated range of about 280 miles on the WLTP cycle. Fast charging is supported, with 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes when using a 150 kilowatts DC fast charger. For a small roadster, these are respectable numbers, and MG has done a good job balancing performance and efficiency. But the MGB isn't just about straight-line speed. MG has clearly put a lot of effort into making it a true driver's car. The weight distribution is close to 50 hours 50 minutes, the center of gravity is low thanks to the battery placement, and the steering is quick and responsive. The car feels light on its feet, darting into corners with agility and confidence. It's not razor sharp like a Cayman or a Moto RF, but it's involving enough to make every drive feel like an event. One of the biggest concerns when bringing a classic nameplate back is whether it can retain its soul in a modern package. Here, MG seems to have struck the right balance. The 2026 MGB has character, whether it's the retro-inspired digital gauge cluster that mimics analog dials, the toggle switches on the minimalist dash, or the subtle use of chrome accents inside the cabin. Everything feels thoughtfully designed. It doesn't try to be something it's not to, it knows what it is, a tribute to the past with a firm foot in the future. Inside, the cabin is a blend of retro cues and high-tech convenience. You get a 10.2-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and voice control. The seats are low and snug, giving that classic sports car feel, but with the added comfort of heating, ventilation, and even a massage function in higher trims. Materials are a mix of vegan leather, brushed aluminium, and soft-touch plastics, all of which feel premium for the price point. Speaking of price, MG has managed to keep the MGB relatively affordable. The base model starts at around $38,000, while the performance version creeps up to about $45,000. That places it squarely in competition with cars like the Mazda MX-5 Miata, the Toyota GR86, and even some lower trim electric coupes like the Mini Cooper Say or Fiat 500e Abarth. It's a competitive space, but the MGB brings a unique blend of heritage and F-Tech that helps it stand out. MG has also introduced several personalization options, from vintage-inspired paint colors to different wheel designs and interior themes. There's even an heritage pack that adds wire-spoke-style alloy wheels, British racing green paint, and a tartan-style interior trim for those who really want to lean into the classic vibes. As for practicality, it's still a small two-seater, so don't expect SUV levels of storage. But there is a small trunk under the hood, and the trunk is decently sized for a weekend getaway. Plus, with the electric powertrain, there's no need to worry about emissions or gas stops, making it an ideal city or weekend car. So, who is the 2026 MGB really for? It's for the enthusiast who wants a connection to the past without giving up modern-day convenience. It's for the driver who values character over clinical perfection. And it's definitely for the person who wants to stand out in a world filled with bland crossovers and look-alike sedans. In an age where many automakers are playing it safe, MG has taken a bold step. The 2026 MGB might not be the fastest or the most luxurious, but it offers something more important: a soul. It taps into that emotional connection that makes driving fun, and it wraps it all in a package that's stylish, efficient, and most importantly attainable. Is it perfect? Not quite. Some enthusiasts will undoubtedly miss the roar of an internal combustion engine, and others might wish for a manual gearbox, even if just for nostalgia's sake. The steering, while precise, can feel a bit numb compared to old-school hydraulic setups, and some might find the ride a bit firm on rough roads. But overall, these are minor criticisms in what is otherwise a fantastic revival. The 2026 MGB is a love letter to driving. It proves that electric cars don't have to be soulless appliances, so they can be fun, stylish, and connected to the rich heritage of automotive history. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And MG, against all odds, has pulled it off. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 MGB. If you're as excited as we are about this return to form for MG, hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Craze for more reviews, test drives, and deep dives into the cars that move us. Until next time, stay passionate, stay curious, and keep chasing the drive.